the School of Ancient Wisdom, Bengaluru, which is a very peaceful, relaxed, and holistic place. Hello, everyone. Vishwa Poornima Yoga Center presents a powerful and life-changing workshop called Reach the Best Version of You, conducted by Dr. Venkatesh Guruji at the School of Ancient Wisdom, Bengaluru, which is a very peaceful, relaxed, and holistic place for a deep rejuvenation, recharging, and rebalancing of the body, mind, and spirit. This workshop is the gateway to achieving anything you desire in your life. Dr. Venkatesh Guruji will guide you through manifesting your dreams. Through this, one can learn how to attract and create the life that they wished. Achieving success. Success is within your reach when you align your mindset and energy. Healing from within. Whether a physical or emotional healing is possible. Overcoming negativity. Free yourself from limiting thoughts and step into positivity. The truth is, everything you desire is already available to you. You just need a right mindset, energy balance, and thought process. This workshop will equip you with the tools to unlock your success in every aspect of your life. Then what are you waiting for? Don't wait. Just transform your life now. Register now just by calling the below mentioned number. Unlock your best self. Transform your life at the School of Ancient Wisdom, Bengaluru. For more details, contact Vishwa Poornima Yoga Center, Bengaluru.